don't need to understand how to build a balance sheet from scratch. You don't need to know how to do all your journal entries. You don't need to memorize complicated IRS tax code. However, what you do need to know is that hey guys, I want to talk about some basic accounting that you need to know. Okay? So I'm not going to sit here and tell you that you need to go buy a book like this and read it and understand everything about this.
Oh, but why not? It's such a good coffee holder.
Okay, well then go buy it and use it as a coffee table book. But you don't need to understand how to build a balance sheet from scratch. You don't need to know how to do all your journal entries. You don't need to memorize complicated IRS tax code. However, what you do need to know is that basic financial literacy, and the language of finance is accounting. So
yes.
You need to understand what a balance sheet is. You need to understand what a statement of cash flows means. You need to understand what are credits, what are debits. You need to know what are expenses and liabilities and what you can call revenues. You need to know where equity fits into that whole mess.
Yeah. So you need to understand basic accounting, not necessarily know everything. You just need to have a clear understanding, because the most important thing is if you have a CPA, then you're going to want to make sure that they're doing everything properly, or at least to the extent of your knowledge that they are. Or if you have a question about something, you're going to want to be able to understand, know how to ask it properly.
I didn't do fantastic. Obviously, I wasn't an accounting major.
I got a D in my class.
Okay, I did better than you. But I can't sit here and do journal entries, and I would not be able to do your bank reconciliations or anything like that. But I can speak the language of an accountant. Our CPA can talk to us and tell me what is a credit and what is a contingent liability, and how I would record an equity infusion. And it just makes sense because it is the structure of finance. It is the language, it's the way that you organize the thoughts. And that helps tremendously, even though I don't do most of it. I just know, I just understand it.
Now, I would argue that if you are going to be doing your taxes yourself for the first couple of years, then you need to have more than just a basic understanding.
Yes. Because
you're going to be doing it yourself. You need to make sure that you're not doing anything illegal or wrong, or
leaving money on the
leave something
table.
out.
Yeah, or leaving money on the table, knowing what deductions you can take.
So that's just some basic advice. Be sure to always consult your accountant.
I would encourage you strongly, no matter where you are in this business, just starting out or multi-million-dollar syndicator, in a nutshell, know basics of accounting. Don't know everything, but need to know enough.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be
Thanks.
sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications when we post a new one.
New videos.
All right,
Thanks.
We'll catch you later.